Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. It's almost time for me to get that haircut, so I'm getting ready. I will be posting that video soon of me doing a self haircut tutorial. In this video, I'm showcasing a taper. Another taper, guys, you can't ever get enough of those. Now, as you guys already know, I saved the best for last, so please make sure that you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments are welcome. It gives the video more traction so that YouTube knows to push it out to more people. I want more people to be able to watch the video and learn. All right, now before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the right-hand corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. All right, guys, let's start.
The first step is to establish the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 32 ACP by Caliber. The next step is to remove the hair from underneath the guideline I just created. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. For this exercise, I'm using the original 44 Magnum by Caliber. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach a 1-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach the 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade midway, pass through the section, close the blade all the way, and pass through the section a 3rd time. It makes more sense if you just watch it. The next step is to erase the guideline that I created initially. First, I start with the clipper's blade fully extended, and each time I pass through the section, I close the blade just a notch and pass through the section again. I continue repeating this until the line is erased. For this exercise, I'm using the original 50 cal mag by Caliber. The next step is to create the lineup. Depending on the hair texture, creating a lineup can be either easy or it can be tedious. In this particular case, I want to make sure that I find the hairs that connect on the hairline. With my client's hair type, pushing back on his hairline really is not the best solution. It's best to stay on the outside. For this exercise, I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. Finally, clean up your edge up with a straight razor. Alright guys, if your taper looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember to always stay practicing, always stay learning. All of my clippers and trimmers have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.